What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play That's What I Want by Lil Nas X. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double punch your eyeballs and break your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar. If you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 4th fret. If you need a free capo, I have a link to a free one that's in the video description, as well as the guitar chord diagrams. You can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So again, there's a link to a free capo and a free ebook in the video description. Once you get done, check those out. So we're gonna start with the verse of the song. The song is just verse, chorus that just repeat. For the verse, you're going to need an A minor, which is middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then you're going to need E minor, which is middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. And then a G major, move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the low E, middle finger stays on the 2nd fret of the A, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. Then you'll need D minor, which is middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, index finger 1st fret high E string. And then F major, bar chord, bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger 3rd fret of the D, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G. And then an E major, which is middle finger 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger 2nd fret of the D string. Same as your E minor, you're just adding your index finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Once you get your chords down, your strumming pattern for the verse is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, which is going to go 3 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And again, that's 3 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And here you go, D minor, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, F, down, down, up, E, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So all together, it looks like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Once you get your verse down, we'll jump into the chorus. The chorus, all you need is that same F bar chord. Then you need a C major, which is ring finger 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret on the B string. Then you need that same G major, that same A minor, and then that same E major. And the strumming pattern is very similar. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That plays through 3 times. Down, down, up, well, technically 4 times, but on the very last time, you're gonna go to the E major instead of A minor, and I'll show you what that looks like. So down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 down. So that's at the very end of the song. That's what I want. Just 4 times down strum, muting in between each on the E major. So all together. Then back into the verse. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.